this is the grand opening of our new location in Cedar Springs. We had awesome food supported by new CNC. We had equipment demos. We cut a couple cabinets for a production job we have coming up. This business wouldn't be possible without the support of new CNC and the ability to crank out some amazing products for our clients. A project that would have taken 45 minutes, I had done in 7.5 minutes on this new machine. We're just blessed to have them board. As a business owner, you get down on yourself and you think you're in a trench by yourself, but to have the community show up in just massive numbers, it was a big confidence boost for us. Coming from a 5-week shutdown with so many uncertainties, to see once again community show up, it's been incredible.